Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke, ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje i-occasional cent-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi kuthela zonke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha sikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So kwakho nje lapho ucindezele ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba ekulethele lona namhlanje nje-ke uJabulani Khumalo ongowokuqala ohlwini lamalunga e-MK aya ePhalamende, usevele obala wathi yena uzobe ekhona uma iPhalamende lihlala. Lokhu kuza ngemuva kokuthi-ke i-MK ithi yona angeke nje ilubhade ePhalamende uma kuzofungiswa amalunga ePhalamende-ke. Laphana-ke isinqumo-ke lesi esakhishwa i-MK-ke yona-ke ithi ngeke ilibhade-ke ePhalamende-ke, nanokuthi-ke uma-ke u-IC ungakayilungisi-ke le ndaba lesikhalazo sokubalwa kwamavoti-ke. Mawufundela-ke le ncwadi ekhishwe uJabulani Khumalo namhlanje ithi-ke, I, Jabulani Khumalo, I am making this public statement in my capacity as the leader of Umkhonto weSizwe. Our members of parliament will be present to the swearing in on designated dates. The purpose of MK communication to the effect that Parliament is not constituted based on the absence of 58 MK members of Parliament is misguided in law and frankly embarrassing. The true leader of MK, being myself, does not agree with it. Parliament has been constituted with 400 members as the confirmation of 400 elected members following the elections. Should any MK member of Parliament not avail themselves for understandable fear of victimization by Mr. Zuma and his clique, will not itself be basis of Parliament not to continue with its businesses of swearing in members of Parliament and continue with its scheduled businesses on the days chosen by the Chief Justice. Mr. Zuma will not continue to abuse our democratic process. The will of the people to continue undermine our Parliament and other constitutional institutions such as our courts and not least their leader, Chief Justice. I confirm that on behalf of MK, accepts the results as pronounced by the Independent Electoral Commission, and no amount of stable conspiracy theories by Mr. Zuma will collapse this nation. President Jabulani Khumalo. Lena-ke incwadi-ke ibhalwe President Jabulani-ke Khumalo-ke laphana-ke impela-ke ibishubile-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe laphana ukuthi-ke ungene ama-comment section-ke ufike ubhale umbono wakho ukuthi ngicabangani-ke ngalo-ke nje lolu daba-ke lolu-ke. Bese ucindezela nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje occasional esenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi zonke iy'ndaba zokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli.